This video tutorial is going to show you how to locate and use a simple FTP program or file transfer protocol software to upload or download files back and forth between your web directory. You'll notice I have this Wikipedia page open after doing a Google search of different FTP software. And you can see there's lots and lots and lots of different free software, freeware programs that you can use on Macs or PCs to use FTP or file transfer protocol between your desktop and your web server. The one that I'll be using is a program called Fetch. You can see it here, and this is a Mac OS only program. But if you're using a PC, you can use FileZilla, and there are lots and lots of other programs out there that you may be familiar with as well. I've already downloaded Fetch here and installed it, so I'm just going to hide the browser for a moment and open up my software from the dock, and you can see I've got this little Fetch dog that I'm going to click on, and here is the Fetch window. Very simple window. It asks for the host name, and so the host name is the actual domain name for the server that you'll be connecting to. And we do have the FTP settings I gave you at the very beginning of our course, and they are at the top of the Moodle course page. If you forget them at any point, you can just open up that page and then put in the values into these different fields. So the host name to connect to the server is sim.colum.edu. The username is IAM. We are going to connect via FTP, and the password is the password that I provided you the first week of class and is also in the FTP instructions. I'm not going to repeat it here, but you can locate it on the Moodle class page, and I'm going to put it in here. I am going to add this to my keychain, so hopefully my computer will remember this. And then there's a little pull down arrow here that lets you open up the initial folder, so you can go directly to your folder that's on the directory. And you may remember we put them inside a directory called WD, and followed by your last name, all lowercase. Don't worry about the port, and don't worry about trying to connect so many times. If you want to create shortcuts, there's a little pull-down menu here that you can create shortcuts for frequently visited servers. And when you're ready to connect, you simply click Connect, and the little dog starts running on the screen. This is my favorite part about using Fetch. And then when it connects, you'll notice that it has me right inside my root folder here, and I can see my images folder that I'd uploaded in a previous lesson, media folder. There's my index page, and there's my desktop CSS right there. And so if I wanted to upload or even create a new directory inside my folder, provided I've got permissions to do this, you can click on this little new folder. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to create a new directory right inside my server called Documents. And there's my Documents folder, and I'm going to double click on that to open it up. And I've got a document I want to put inside there. It's a PDF document, and I'm just going to click and drag and drop that in there. So it's now uploading. You can see the progress bar down here. Provided I have a link to this document, I can open this up from my index page or from other pages on my website. But even if I don't have a link for it, I can still access this document directly by, once again, going to my web browser, and I'm going to open up a new tab here. I'm going to type the path to this PDF document just to show you how this works. So the full path is sim.colum.edu iam /wd/nofs/ and the folder that I was looking for was documents. And then, because I don't have an index page inside the documents folder, I have to provide the full URL, Uniform Resource Locator, the full path to that document. But if I do that, and it's my document, is the name I gave to it, provided I put in the right text here, I should be able to hit return. And sure enough, it located that document. Of course, Adobe Reader is blocked for the site, but if I do say I'll trust it, it will go ahead and open up that PDF document there. So it located it on the browser and opened it directly from the browser window. So that's how to upload. And then the opposite, and I'm just going to hide Safari. And then the opposite is also true if I wanted to download anything from my website using Fetch. I would just simply select the file, and then I could use this get icon, or I can just drag it to the desktop from the server. So I can just drag my desktop CSS down here. And so you can see you can upload and download very, very, very easily. Be careful, because you can also probably delete items in there, and so you have to beware of that. But this sort of program, I just wanted to show you that you can get to your server, access, upload documents, download documents without being inside Dreamweaver using an FTP program of your choice.